Tired of complicated meals and overflowing kitchens? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is here to revolutionize your cooking. This isn't just a pressure cooker, it's a 9-in-1 kitchen marvel, combining a slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, and more. Imagine decluttering your countertops while still being able to create gourmet meals with a single appliance. What truly sets it apart are the 15 smart, customizable programs. From making perfect eggs to pressure cooking ribs, it anticipates your needs. You can literally set it and forget it, delivering consistent, delicious results every time, even if you're a beginner cook. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthier cooking and super easy cleanup. No more scrubbing stubborn food. For anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen or simply cook smarter, the Instant Pot Duo Plus offers unparalleled versatility and convenience. It's the ultimate kitchen appliance for busy families and food enthusiasts alike, making everyday cooking a joy. Ready to experience the future of cooking? Find the best deals and grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus via the Amazon link in the description below. Trust me, investing in this Instant Pot is one of the best kitchen decisions you'll make in 2025.